Have you ever wondered how to grow your own citrus trees at home? Today, we dive into the world of citrus, where oranges, lemons, and more come to life in your backyard. Growing citrus trees can be a fun and rewarding hobby. Let's get started. The first step to growing citrus trees is choosing the right one. Consider different types such as oranges, lemons, and limes, each with unique growing needs. When selecting, look for a healthy tree at your local nursery or garden center. Once you've selected your tree, it's time to plant. Now let's talk about how to plant your citrus tree. Begin by preparing the soil, ensuring it's well drained and enriched with compost. Then, dig a hole twice as wide as the root ball and as deep. After planting, your tree will need regular care and attention. Caring for your citrus tree is essential for its growth and fruit production. Regular watering is key, but avoid oversaturation. Feed your tree with a balanced citrus fertilizer to promote vibrant growth. Prune your tree carefully to maintain its shape and health. Be watchful for common pests like aphids and citrus psyllids, and diseases such as citrus greening. Prevention is best achieved through regular inspection and prompt treatment. With proper care, your citrus tree will provide you with delicious fruit for years to come. Growing your own citrus trees can be a rewarding experience. We've covered selection, planting, and care. Remember, each tree has its personality, so patience is key. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.